Namaste JVN. I am Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastav from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss some quadratic curves. The first is conicoid. The general equation of second degree in xyz is ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 represent a locus which called a conicoid. The surface represented by the equation ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1 passes the property that all chords of the surface passing through the origin are bisected at that point. The conicoid represented by the equation 2 passes a unique center, therefore known as the central conicoid of the equation 2 as its standard equation. The following surfaces are called the conicoid. First, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 1. This is ellipsoid. Second, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square is equal to 1. This is hyperboloid of one seed. Minus x square upon a square minus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 1. Hyperboloid of two seed. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 2z upon c, elliptic paraboloid, and x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 2z upon c. This is hyperboloid, and x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 0. This is imaginary cone. Next, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square is equal to 0. It is a cone. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is elliptic cylinder. And x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is hyperbolic cylinder. The ellipsoid, the locus of the equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 1 is called the ellipsoid. Now we shall discuss the nature and shape of the surface. The center, if alpha comma beta comma gamma, the coordinates of any point on first is alpha square upon a square plus beta square upon b square plus gamma square upon c square is equal to 1. This shows that the point minus alpha comma minus beta comma minus gamma also lies on first, but these points are on the straight line through the origin and equidistance from the origin, as origin is the middle point of the line joining these points, hence the origin bisects every chord which passes through it and is on this account called the center of the surface. Thus, the origin is the center of ellipsoid of first. Second number, symmetricity. Since there are only even power of x, the surface is symmetrical about the yz plane. Similarly, the surface is symmetrical about xz and xy plane. If the point alpha comma beta comma gamma satisfies it, then alpha comma beta comma minus gamma also satisfied it, which means that xy plane bisects all chords perpendicular to it. Similarly, other coordinates plane bisects chord perpendicular to them. The three coordinate planes, by virtue of their property that they bisect chord perpendicular to them, are called principal planes of the surface. Any three coordinate axes, which are the lines of the intersection of the three principal planes taken in pairs, are called the principal axes. Third, intersections with axes. This meets x-axis where y is equal to 0, comma z is equal to 0, that is x square upon a square is equal to 1, so x is equal to plus minus a. in points a comma 0 comma 0 and a dash minus a comma 0 comma 0. Similarly, it meets y axis at x is equal to 0 comma z is equal to 0 at b. This is the coordinates 0 comma b comma 0 and b dash has the coordinates 0 minus b 0 and z axis at x is equal to 0 comma y is equal to 0 at point c 0 0 c and c dash 0 comma 0 comma minus c. Next, closed surface generated by the variable plane. The surface cuts the plane z is equal to k in a curve that is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus k square upon c square comma z is equal to k. The surface is generated by the above variable ellipse in which k takes different values. Now the ellipse 2 is real if 1 minus k square upon c square is positive, that is if k square is less than c square or k is numerically less than c, and when k is numerically greater than c, z is equal to k beyond z is equal to plus minus c, the ellipse 2 becomes imaginary, showing there by the no part of the surface lies beyond z is equal to plus minus c. Similarly, no part of the surface lies beyond the planes x is equal to plus minus a comma y is equal to plus minus b. Hence the surface is closed one. Thank you.